Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Arsenal home shirt for the 25-26 season, and this shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my usual dhgate seller, which will allow you to go and buy items from them, and it will be direct to this Arsenal shirt. So the delivery timescales, you're looking at about 15 days for the item to arrive, which I think is absolutely spot on. It was a bit weird when this one arrived though, because as you can see the shirt has not been packed in there properly, so I thought there was a bit of a problem with it, but hoping that once we do get it out of the bag and we look at it, we can see that it is just the way that it's been packed. So the shirt comes in a standard Adidas bag, and on the flip side is the health warnings. So if you're new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I say, the seller of this one is BestZV1.com. All the information in the description of this video. So let's get this bag open and take a look at the Arsenal home shirt for the 25-26 season. Can't wait to look at this one. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt here, and this is the player spec version of the shirt. The stripes have been heat pressed on. They're like a plasticky sort of texture to them. Just going to put my hand through, because being the player one, you know this is going to be a lot lightweight and it is going to be relatively see-through. Yeah, that's been embroidered, it's been heat pressed on as well. I do actually like this A in the back of the shirt all the way through. But that looks fantastic. It reminds me of one of their older shirts back in the 90s that had something like that. I just noticed it looks like the A from the back of the Arsenal on the old blue shirt. The Arsenal crest. Oh, that's clever. So that is obviously just heat pressed on, but it's only the outline. I like that. The Emirates fly better. It's a rubberized vinyl. And on the sleeve, the Visit Rwanda is also heat pressed on, but that feels more of a plasticky sort of feel. At the bottom, we've got the authentic licensed product from Adidas. Oh, look, there we go. So pulling it out, and there's my fingers there. So you can see there are air holes in it there, look, for the ventilation all the way up there, but the material is relatively see-through. So that's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around and look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're onto the reverse side now, and there is the A. So that's the Arsenal A that was on one of the away shirts. I think it might be on the home one at the bottom, where it just had the word Arsenal at the bottom. So that's obviously the A that goes through it. It looks really quite smart. Stitching all looks good. And likewise on this side. Obviously no name and number on this one, because the 25-26 season numbers haven't been released yet. So I thought I'd keep this one to the bare minimum. We also do have a slightly lower flap on the back than the front. Yeah, that's on both sides. So nothing really much else to call out on the reverse side of this one, because it is plain. But maybe as the season starts, I might get another one of these with a name set on it. So, but we'll take a look later. But yeah, that's the reverse side. Let's flip it inside out now and take a look at that too. Okay, we're now on the inside, and the collar line. Yeah, stitching all looks nice on there. And you've got the Adidas product code with the QR code on that side, which has the standard ticket that you get on there. Adidas Arsenal crest. In fact, it says JSY. That's how you can always tell that it's not an official shirt. And now on the white look, you can see just how see-through this is, because you can see the Visit Rwanda, you can see the stripes really clearly on this side, the stripes as well. If I just pull them out, there you go, you can see it there. So you know again that material is quite see-through. The Arsenal crest has gone on nicely, no creases. Likewise with the Adidas. Emirates as well. Oh look, so where you've got the air pockets, you can just about make out the lettering that comes through. At the bottom we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to do it on a hand wash setting, and then when you come to dry it, just hang it outside or something. Do not put it in your tumble dryer. And then at the bottom we've got the licensed product there. This has been heat pressed on, and now you can see what I was saying earlier about the reverse side, because the shirt's slightly twisted actually. You can see that the flap on the back is lower than the front line. But all looking good so far on the inside. Let's flip it around and look at the final part of the inside of this shirt. Okay, here's the final part of the inside of the shirt. You've got this like neck padding that all the Adidas shirts have this year. They're like full texture bits, so I'm not sure what to call it. You've got the size guide here, XL. This is the player version, so the recommendation is to definitely size up on these. They are a lot tighter anyway because of being the player spec. Got a bit of a join of cotton there, and on that side as well. Pushing in on the shirt though, you can just about make out the Adidas and the Arsenal crest there, and the sponsor. The shirt is going to be quite see-through because it is the player spec version, and there you see it again. So you always expect these two ones to be a little bit more lightweight. A few creases where it's been in the bag, you can see a big one down there, but once the shirt's been worn or washed, then those creases will soon disappear. But that's the inside of our Arsenal home shirt for the 25-26 season. And there we have it, the Arsenal home shirt for the 25-26 season from BestZV1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link as well for my usual seller, directing you straight to the Arsenal items. The shirt, although it is obviously a new style, it does kind of give me that retro vibe, and maybe that is because of the A's through it, which is obviously the A from the Arsenal naming convention. It's the font that's used on that, so maybe that's where the retro vibes come from this one. But yeah, I do really like it. Delivery time scales, you're looking at about 15 days from the point of getting the QC photos, which is fantastic. About standard now for most of these sellers, but still really good. If you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions or comments, by all means leave them below. And there we have it, our Arsenal home shirt for the 25-26 season. So this is from BestZV1.com. All the information for the seller in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.